Welcome to Scratch. Well, it's not developed, but I'm gonna teach you about operators. You got the pick random. Okay, I'm gonna teach you about these, like these and maths. Definitely not doing that. First thing you can do with the pick random 1 to 10, you can do this technically. So you can do this. Pick a number from 1 to 10, and then when you click this, it will say a random number every time you click this. So yeah, and technically also, so there's also like if apples contains A, true, apple contains A, but inventory contain, I think. But if we do these, I think it works. But if you make a list and just color nothing, and then if we write I contains E, and it's gonna say, false, because I does not have E. But if you add I, you write E, and then do that, it will now say it doesn't work, but well, you can do lots of stuff about operating, like if you want to, like, so I know how to, these math symbols act the same thing, that like, so first you can just go like a plus, you're right, like a number, and then yeah, and they will say the answer, and yep, technically that is what it is. But control, we got forever, I don't know what that does, but forever. So if you say hello for 2 seconds, and then with event green flag and forever, you will get an infinite source. But you count 2. You see, it keeps on going forever. So if you delete the code, it's gonna be gone. We also have a repeat. So if you make it 2 and get that and say hello for 2 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll stop like that. And we got switch costumes. You've seen them, big do that. Let's put it to the costume 1. And if you never knew, but if you can click the buttons on any of these to activate them, like forever, like pick random 1 to 10. It's really cool because you click it and it will show you these operators. You can say false. Also, we can make the length of apple 5. Length of I don't know if most of them it's 8 length. We know length of sprite 1. We got ABS. Don't know what that is, but oh, we got also sensing, which is like touch sensors, like colors. If you write, if I get a character, if I choose if I choose this thing, choose this, and if I go grab this, and like, I need to give it to this one, to that one. If we get this one and click that, and then we click that, and then we get like a sample of that black, because it will be touching. Yeah. So we will get the black, and we're gonna control, so touching color, and then we're gonna put a line in and then we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna do like a line like that. So if we do if we make it that so when this, if you make it like to like right arrow and then motion change X, yeah, that's what it's gonna do. So if we put it back and then right, if we go like this, I don't think that activates, but see, it's touching, true, but if we get off it and then click it again, it will say false. So if we go to bring him back to 0, then touching black, we could do switch backdrop to backdrop 2. So when green flag clicked, or when green flag is clicked, so we can do this green flag, and then we bring this, put this in here, and so we do that and that. So if we do that, go click it, it won't work sometimes. Well, I don't know if this works, but I don't know. But I try to do it, and I don't know if it works. But yeah, you can do like something like this. Command. We've got sound, clear sound effects, which there is none. Then we got operators. Pick random. You can make it like do like. You can make it do tic-tac-toe though. And sensing. It's my favorite part. The answering. If you want him to talk, we need bring him. So if you want them to talk, we can put that there, and he will say, ask what's your name. But if you don't want him to say anything, and you want to like to write this without that, if you don't want to wait, you can. If you don't want to wait, but I'm just gonna do this. But if you click, so if green flag is clicked, ask what's your name. So when ask what's your name, and this happens. And when it's saying that, we're gonna have to bring out to looks. We take that out, we go to sensing, and we bring out answer, because it's the answer for this thing. So now if we write it, I'm just gonna write Bob for example, click the tick, and then he will say it, but it won't work. To make it work, you have to make the green flag click, and it will say what's your Bob. You want to write Bob, and then I don't know what will work, but it will work. I didn't do it before, but if you don't want them to say that, you can delete the entire thing. So we're not gonna use him to talk. We're gonna use Apple to talk. We can make it like like a normal one. We can write hello. We can write hello. Don't know how to spell because I'm not gonna spell. And we could do that, and we can make it do that. And then we go to set sig get answer. I think this will work, but I don't know. When they go there, write a random letter. It will say only like this. These command works. You don't have to copy me, but you have to copy this and this. Put anytime you want. Add an extra. So technically, you can do whatever you want on this. You can write distance to edge. You can make them bounce, and we could do. And also, sensing is a little bit creepy though, because it knows what year it is, a timer, loudness. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Wait. Oh, that's sick. You can hear me. I'm pretty loud. But so days since 20,08195. Is this thousands or something? But I don't know. But yep, it's a testing of like log sensing, events and controls. So and goodbye.